Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about internet computer price prediction and internet computer news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for internet computer in 2022. Internet computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at the speed of the internet with unlimited bandwidth. It represents the third major innovation in blockchain technology after Bitcoin and Ethereum, a blockchain computer that scales smart contract calculations and data, produces them at the speed of the internet, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful development frameworks. By making all this possible, internet computer allows the next step to completely rethink software. It provides a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet services, industry-wide platforms, decentralized financial systems, and even traditional enterprise systems and websites. The project was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams and aroused significant interest from the crypto community. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about internet computer. The metaverse and Web3 technologies were some of the most lucrative themes in the past when Bitcoin, BTC, ran up to $69,000. With Web3 technology transforming blockchains and cryptocurrency, allowing them to have real-world use cases, it would be wise to invest in the market leaders. RWAV, Arkansas, Internet Computer, ICP, and Flux are three such projects that have a good potential in the industry. Let's dive into the charts in this technical analysis and use several technical indicators to see what the tokens look like. If you are clueless about Web3 and how it differs from its predecessors, check out our video below. ICP is close to forming a positive RSI divergence. However, for this to be confirmed, the price must close positively on a daily candle. Consequently, it can be assumed that the price will move down to support at $15. ICP is in a clear downtrend here. For continued upside, the $21.90 resistance needs to be fought. ICP bulls are currently trying to flip the 12.51 resistance into support. If they are successful, the token will outperform Flux, at least till the price reaches 13.84. The price is consolidating around 12.50, so there is a possibility that it could move up higher from here. If ICP Flux does get rejected at 12.52, it will probably move down to test the demand zone at 10.5. This would be a minus 14.9% move which would benefit Flux bulls. Therefore, until the resistance has been flipped on the daily chart, it is not recommended to go long. Arkansas Flux on a one-day chart. Arkansas Flux looks as if it is breaking to the upside. It has a clear bullish market structure, whilst also being in an uptrend for the past 2 weeks. The next stop is likely 25, which is a large supply zone. Whether Arkansas bulls have the momentum to get the price above this level could be debated. If the price starts to close below 21.8, then it'll likely test the bottom at around 18.16. The price has reclaimed the 50 levels on the RSI, though, therefore, it is likely to go higher. Summarizing everything, ICP is in a clear downtrend and has been for more than 6 months. The price looks as if it may test around the $15 level. However, there is a potential for a positive divergence on the daily chart to play out. Is playing in determining the war in Ukraine. It might affect other countries after Russia. BTC plunges lower. Bitcoin was the leading currency affected by the market change in the last 24 hours. As the market has been affected by Chinese decisions and has no improvement in the Russian situation, Bitcoin has begun to falter. Bitcoin performance for the last 24 hours shows that it has shed 5.42%. If we look at the price of Bitcoin, it is estimated to be $41.425.61. The price for Bitcoin is lowering, but it has gained 7.22% in the last 7 days. The market has also been affected by the bearish trend in the market. The recent change has affected its value by about 3.03% in the last 24 hours. If we look at its stats for the previous 7 days, it shows a gain of 10.15%. The new changes have taken its price to $18.62. The market cap has begun to reduce in value after bearishness, and is about $3,909,665,882. The trading volume of it for the last 24 hours is $399,163,834. The market has remained turbulent for this currency since 2021 as it has continued in an uncertain situation. App post. Meanwhile, integration with Ethereum is slated for Q3 2022 with the Vanadium Vitalik release. Finity is yet to publish any further details about the integration, but Vice President of Communications Michael Less explained to Cointelegraph. So, when you make a transaction on the internet computer in Bitcoin, it actually changes the Bitcoin ledger versus what you see today, with a bridge. It's like a wrapped Bitcoin or wrapped Ether. Less explained that Finity has chosen to prioritize these integrations to help facilitate its vision for a multi-chain future. He said, if Bitcoin is going to be around forever, how do we actually provide the best user experience is to combine all these networks directly. In December, Infinity enabled smart contracts, called canisters in its ecosystem, to hold their own balances of ICP tokens. The ICP currently supports 250,000 queries per second, executed with 1 to 2 second transaction finality. ICP on canisters was the important feature that made it viable, and it will probably go crazy once direct integration with BTC and at the release. Kyle Peacock, lead software engineer at Infinity, told Cointelegraph. On Friday, Cointelegraph reported that the Internet Computer blockchain had welcomed its first decentralized exchange, DEX, Sonic, with at least 2 other exchanges in the works. Upcoming Polychain capital-backed DEX Infinity Swap appears to be orienting itself to capitalize with this upcoming integration with Bitcoin. According to Lee, it will allow users to stake their Bitcoin, BTC, as liquidity. Providers. The ICP token rose 56% in the first 5 days of the new year, amid a flurry of optimistic news. However, it was one of the worst performing crypto assets in 2021, dumping 90. Today we will discuss the Internet Computer price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The rate of cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors to consider. Whether Internet Computer will survive in the next few years is unknown, but based on analytical data, we have made forecasts for the near future. Internet Computer Course Forecast 2022. ICPs have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Internet Computer, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $25.15. ICP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $22.45, a minimum price of $21.82, and a maximum price of $25.15. ICP rate prediction 2023. The cost of Internet Computer will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. ICP is expected to top out at $37.93 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Internet Computer will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average ICP price will be between $32.36 and $33.26 expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum ICP price ranges from $32.36 to $37.93 for 2023. Internet Computer Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of Internet Computer may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ICP could reach $56.09 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $47.85 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. ICP Price Prediction 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Internet Computer price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ICP price will rise to around $72.27 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $78.34 with a minimum price